Hello guys, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to divide numbers in Google Sheet. So let's begin the video. First, open your Google Sheet containing the numbers you want to divide. Now click on the cell where you want the result of your division to appear. Now type an equal sign and now enter the numbers you want to divide, separate by a forward slash. So that's how you have to use division to divide cell in a spreadsheet. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and stay tuned for more videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.